Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here again with another video. Right now we are on our funding pips account on our 10,000 masters account. As you can see, I'm using Match Trader masters account. And last week we made 1280 cents with 75 cents. And we are in an AUD USD trade with 400 plus dollars in profits. We got a negative 11 swaps. I got one lot on it, so I want to do a review why I took this trade. I like to read candlesticks. I like to use my MACD. These are my essential tools that I like to use. Volumes, trend lines, support and resistance, fair value gaps, and overall how's the economy's health. Also, you have to wait for news. You have to wait for, I like to trade nothing below 1 hour chart because then you have to be scalping and it's just too much emotions. So right now, like I said, I'm on AUD USD and funding pips with a $400 one profit. I entered here on the market. We got strong buyers. There's buyers on the market, so there's probably gonna be more buyers. So I'm probably gonna add another entry on this one. I'm gonna find another entry on this one. Buyers are here. They're trying to hold. So there's buyers in this area. It's a fair value gap right in this area. That's where people are willing to buy and sell here. So you gotta see the price relax, bounces, goes up, goes back up. There's gonna be people bringing their stop losses right here and be taken out. We gotta wait on this type of news. Business confidence, inflation rate. We're gonna see the inflation, the core inflation, March 12th. We're gonna see retail sales, PPMO, and Michigan consumer sentiment. I think we are in a very strong economy. So I don't know if you guys saw last week that they were talking about not yet decreasing interest rate. That's what they're talking about. We still have a strong market. I think there's still people working. There's still people making money. There's still opportunities, and that can tell that. Also, I expect the market to keep going bullish as the US 10 treasuries are on a sell sentiment. People are selling them. They're waiting to get that all the way down here. I expect price to come to 3.5 before they start increasing it. I think they're gonna let inflation run and run, try to control it here, and inflation is gonna keep coming down. I don't know if you guys saw the news, but the China already got rid of the bricks. I mean, China already got the BRICS. The BRICS got rid of the dollar. They're trying to dismantle the dollar and be like, hey, you know what? The dollar, we don't want nothing with it. So they're gonna try to find a way how to make the dollar more precious. So they're gonna make it drop. I think those news are gonna affect the US 10 treasuries and make it bring to 3.5, and that's when people or investors are gonna be like, okay, that's a good price to buy. Let me hold. So with time, with time, the US Treasury bonds are decreasing with time, but there's enough buyers here to hold. Like I say, I like to read all this. This is all psychological in your mind, how you identify and read all this news and possibly what's gonna be the direction of the market. So let's go to the next thing. DXY. Let me see. I gotta look for it, guys. DXY. Over here in DXY, as you can see, those that take profit. Price is not gonna know now this week. It's not gonna know where does it want to go. The direction is downside, as you can see. There's people holding, but not as there's a big wick, but not as strong. There's transactions are being made here. So our 65 still on top of this, so we might see still selling. So sell direction. We're waiting on the inflation rate. They're gonna try to make it look like it's minimizing, that it's stable, which will cause this to keep decreasing. Come to this level. Once it comes to this level, we're gonna see what happens. The standard, there's people buying and selling over here, so we might see another decrease before it goes back up. Like I said, look, there's buyers here, so there's probably gonna be buyers in this area again. So we're gonna see a sellout on DXY in the next couple of weeks. Let's see what happens. Hopefully, the market gets to adjust, but I think we're gonna keep seeing bullish momentum because they know that China is coming very strong. So as you can see, and I was showing you guys, we made 1,200 bucks with 87 and 75, and I'm on a trade with $400 in profit. We're gonna use some of this money to open the 25,000. We're gonna move on to the next level, the 25,000. So as you can see, this is all live recording and how I'm showing you guys. And I'm gonna do also another review on the uh, Nvidia Corporation. This is a very strong stock that affects the Nasdaq, and there's still buyers in the market. I still believe that there's buyers in the market. There's buyers here at 800. We might see, and there's this is another, let's say another area where price is good. It can go to 600, between 500 and 800. This area, there's buyers that can get in there. So we just gotta wait for price to adjust. The direction is going up, but we have to make price adjust. So we might see a decrease. We might see another bounce before it comes back down. We gotta see where is the highest that the market can reach before it gets tired. So right now we're showing that people are selling, but there's still buyers in the market. There's still buyers in the market. So we'll see what happens. I think we still have a strong AI market. And I was reading this, why Walmart quick success in generative AI search should have Google worried. So this is another good sign of bullish momentum on Nvidia. So let's get it, guys. Make sure you guys follow me, connect with me on Instagram if you guys want to learn all this stuff. I would like to teach my strategy, but I'll give you guys information or ideas that you guys, if you guys want to do a 101, I can do 101 and teach you guys a little bit of my knowledge, but I don't want to give out my full strategy out there. But let's get it. The Money Association.